Kerry back with you today. Supplies! No, really, supplies. It's a supplies box. I know, sorry, that was really bad. Anyway, we've had loads of you ask us for some more boxes, and I'm really happy to say that Renee has curated this amazing box for us. Um, Good news is they're in the shop now. Bad news is they are extremely limited, and once they're gone, they're gone. However, I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek of what's in the box, and you can see if it's something that you would like to grab. So it comes in our gorgeous tissue, and I'm just going to pop this over to the side. Once I get in here, you'll see that a lot of things are wrapped in cellophane bags, so I'm just going to take a moment to take them out of the bag so it's not so noisy and glary, and you'll be able to see the items better. So bear with me for one sec. Okay, so I've unwrapped everything and I'm going to give you a bit more of a look at what's in the box. So we have 5 metres of our opal blue aqua sari silk, absolutely gorgeous colours. You will also get 5 1 metre lengths of 5 different white or off-white cream laces. So loads of lace to work with there. You also get 5 metres of this beautiful blue seam binding. There is 1 metre of this gorgeous lace in a pale blue. There is 5 metres of this lovely blue lace. You get 1 metre of this embroidered trim. I absolutely love this trim because you can use it as a trim, or you can just cut out these little segments and use them as embellishments. So it's one of my favourites. There is a roll with 2 yards of this baby blue velvet ribbon. There is a packet of blue and white baker's twine, and there's 4.5 metres of that. There are 2 lots of time cards, this lovely blue one and some white and blue time cards. There's 5 of each of those. There is a Lindy's spray, and this is the Tiffany Lou Blue, absolutely gorgeous colour. Now if you haven't used these sprays before, when you receive them, it's a powder in the bottom of the bottle, and you just fill it up to this line with water that you have boiled in your kettle and let cool slightly. There is a packet of these window envelopes. There are 12 in this lovely blue colour in here. We have 3 decoupage napkins. This one with the lovely big blue butterflies, a gorgeous blue flower, and this fairy tale hare is pretty cool. There is also a pack of vintage fancy rayon trim. Now there is 36 yards on here, and this was made in Japan. Absolutely gorgeous, and I love the label as well. So just pop that one underneath. You will also get 4 of these faux vintage invoices, and these are in a blue colour. And you will get 5 sheets of this lovely blue vellum. So that is actually slightly transparent. So that is our first box that we will be doing in these limited edition series. There will be a link in the description box below to where you can find the box. We hope to bring these to you, I want to say once a week, but you know, timing is not always on our side. But we do hope to bring these to you fairly regularly. If you want to be notified when we list these boxes in the shop, you can either sign up for our newsletters on the website, and there'll be a link in the description box below, or you can just email us and let us know that you would like to be notified when they come in, and we can let you know. Now these boxes, whilst they are limited edition, they are also really good value. So this would retail for a bit over $50 if we sold these items separately. In this limited edition box, it's actually half of that price, so they won't last. If you would like to grab one, you'll find a link in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.